I'm going to show you how to make up to $150 an hour by just copying and pasting affiliate links. You don't need to pay for anything, and you don't need to be a genius. Just grab your laptop, make sure your internet connection is working, and pay close attention to the instructions that I'll be laying out for you in this short tutorial. If you like the sound of today's video, smash that like button and let's get started. And if you're looking for more beginner-friendly ways to make money online, just click the first link and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. As you can see, I'm in my Warrior Plus account right now, and this is what I'm using to promote a lot of different affiliate programs out there. The way I'm making this much money is by promoting these low-ticket products in the Make Money Online category. So what you want to do is go here where it says Affiliate and then go on Offers. You'll see all these different affiliate offers that you can promote. You can see exactly how the affiliate offers are performing and see if it's actually worth promoting, if it's going to be making a lot of money, or if it has a very high refund rate, which you don't want to be promoting. Now, the one affiliate offer that I want you to recommend is this one right here called the 7-Figure Launch System. This is a very hot affiliate offer, and it already has more than 1,000 sales. The conversion rate is 6%, which is not the highest, but you will see why it doesn't matter in just a second. Then, the earnings per click is $1 at least, meaning for every single click that you're going to drive to this page, you get paid at least $1. The average sale is $24, and the refund rate is only 2%. Now, the reason you want to be promoting this affiliate offer is that if you're quick enough to promote this offer, you can actually earn 200% commission for your first sale, depending on whether you're watching this video right now. But of course, you can go for any affiliate offer that you like. Let's just use this as an example. And now what you want to do is grab your affiliate link and copy it. And then you want to shorten it because we don't want to be using this long, unattractive link that people don't want to click on. So just head on over to a URL shortening site like Cutly, and you just want to paste it right here. So it's going to shorten your affiliate link and it's going to look much better. So just copy this shortened link. Now the next thing you want to do is go to Google and search for Vimeo Video Downloader. And you just want to click on the first search result right here. Now, this is a free extension for Google Chrome that you can actually use to download videos from Vimeo. So just download that now. And now, the next thing you want to do is actually click on your affiliate link, and it's going to take you to the sales page of the product, which looks just like this. When you go to download this extension right here, what you're going to see is that the video, the sales video, which is right here, actually has this little arrow icon. So you just want to click on it and you want to download the video. So after you download the video, you want to go to camera.com and you just want to upload the video. The main important part is, if you've noticed, this video is over 19 minutes long. But all you really need to do is cut it to around the 45-second mark. So just go right here and check out where the 45-second mark is and just cut it right here using the S key on your keyboard. Just click on S, and then you just want to delete the entire part, which is going to be right here. Click on it, just click on delete, and now you have this 45-second video. But before you move on, you want to click right here on the Add Page, and then just write something like this here. Click the link in the description to continue to the full video. The first 45 seconds tend to be the most engaging and most exciting and provide the most value. So you're going to be giving away some of the best bits of the video, which means that more people are likely to click to watch the whole thing. So now just go right here and you want to customize it a little. You can change the size of the video, of the text, etc. And it's going to look something like this. So click the link in the description to continue to the full video. And also, I'm going to underline the full video. So this is what it's going to look like. Now, click on Share, and you just want to download the full video, and also make sure you select MP4 video right here. And then also select all pages because you want to make sure that there is the original video, and then there's the added link in the description part. Okay, so now the video is downloaded, you want to head over to rumble.com and you just want to click right here. It's going to say upload a video and you just want to drag and drop the video right here. You can also use the content in the sales page for the affiliate product in your headline and video description. So you can just copy and paste from the sales page like I'm doing here. For the video title, I'm going to name it something like How I Make $60,000 per Weekend Using My Secret Launch Strategy. Something similar for the video description, and then find the full video training here. And this is the part where you can copy and paste your shortened affiliate link URL. And this should be the final product of what it looks like. Something similar. Just to emphasize one very important part, you want to go to the sales page or the product once again, and just copy and paste more text from the sales page. So for example, this part right here. What is the 7-figure launch system? This is pretty much exactly what we're looking for. Just some fluffy text, so the description is not going to be empty with just your affiliate link, but it's going to be pretty much filled out with some good information. So this can be it, just right here. And then you want to paste it into the video description, and then I'm going to put full video training is right here again. So there are 2 call to actions in the description instead of 1. And it's going to look something like this. And then for the tags, you just want to put in make money online, affiliate marketing, and work from home. And you just want to click right here where it says upload. Now, what you want to select are going to be your licensing options. It doesn't really matter which one you're going to select, as long as you're not going to select the personal use, because Rumble is actually going to be paying you just for uploading videos on this platform. But you can't be on the personal use setting to be paid in that way. If you're going to check out the information in this one, you're not going to make any money just from re-uploading the videos. But in these ones, you're going to get paid 40% of the earnings that Rumble is going to generate for you from the different advertisements that are running on the video. So not only are you going to be getting free traffic to your affiliate link, you're also going to be making money just from the people watching your short video that you upload to Rumble. The best part about this method is that you can do this for any other affiliate program that is out there that has a sales video. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you've learned something new, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. And I will see you next time.